Okay guys, welcome back. I'm Sandra the Planner, and I am going to continue on our series of how to create your reunion forms and documents using Google. Okay, so now I'm going to show you different ways that you can use Google Docs in order to benefit your reunion planning, okay, and help you organize. Alright, so you sign into your Google account, of course. We know how to do this now. Go to your waffle and you'll want to choose your Google Docs. Another way to do this is if you're already in Google, one of the, what do you want to call them, word processing apps, the forms, the sheets, or docs, you can just go over here to these three lines and you'll find all of those different, I guess, productivity aspects will be here. So just know that that's there if you are already using one of the four. But some of the ways that I use Google Docs, as you can see, once again, you can start out by using any one of the templates to help you create forms, reports, letters. So if you wanted to write your family a welcome letter, and hey, the reunion, we're getting ready to have it. There's so many different reasons you can use, ways you can use Google. Different projects, when you're doing your reunion planning and you have your committee meetings, they've already got meeting notes here, so you can just choose one of these three templates to start writing your meeting notes with, instead of having to create something from scratch. You can do a family newsletter, a brochure. There's just a lot of different templates that you can use to help enhance your and organize, make it look professional and streamlined for your family reunion documents. Other ways are, if you've created a document in another Word program, you can transfer that into your Google Docs, which is very beneficial because sometimes you will just be on your phone or you'll be on your tablet and you'll be away from your house, but you still need to access those documents. Of course, Google goes everywhere. They have Word now on app, but this is just so efficient because it's in the cloud. And we've got all types of documents that we have transferred to Google. Some of them have been our, let's go to this one real quick. So this one kind of has our reunion agenda, and we documented, what we'll be doing each day, the time, and then wanting people to RSVP who's going to be attending. So that's one of the forms that we used from Google in Google Docs, and it's a great way to store the information. Your family can actually fill these out if you do it the right way and send it right back to you. I keep a lot of our contracts with the hotels and tour buses and various things that we have to sign off on also in my Google Docs. We have our t-shirt forms here. So we had created a t-shirt form way back in like 2017, I guess, and we just continue to use it. So we transferred it over into Google Docs, and still just as functional today as it was then. And you can print these out and mail them out to your family members, etc. Welcome documents. Yeah, so we've used Google consistently for some years now in order to help us create some efficient documents, and I hope you guys will be able to utilize it as well for your reunion. And that's it for this video on how to use Google Docs. I think everybody pretty much knows how to use Word, so this one's a pretty quick video, and I hope to see you in the next one.